Too many systems, too much data. Tracking everything becomes impossible. Too many tasks, too little time. Managing HR tasks can be stressful. Creating JDs, KPIs, and answering to every general queries piling up at once. HR shouldn't feel like a never-ending struggle. Say hello to our chatbot, FlowBot, the final piece of the puzzle. A smarter way to end HR challenges. Unlike traditional chatbots, FlowBot has no message limits, no user restrictions, and works 24/7. Just type your question for instant feature guidance. No more waiting for tickets! Or searching endless guides. FlowBot, a smarter system helping HR teams within a single system.